Hey guys, this is Fahim for Flywheel, and as you can see I am standing beside one of the latest products from Tata Motors. This has been a long-termer for us and I have been using this car for the last couple of months, and I just want to share you a little of my experiences with this car. Tiago is Tata's latest entry into the compact car segment, where this Indian car manufacturer has attempted to revamp the Tata image as a more vibrant and modern car maker. 16 variants to choose from, and that too for a little hatchback like this. I think the toughest part for the buyer will be choosing which variant he should go for than spending 3.5 lakhs or 4 lakhs. Look at the car from any angle and you can see it looks really very beautiful and very modern, and that gives the car enough confidence to compete with any of its rivals. The Tiago interior is the best till date. The interior is quite roomy and the touch and feel is really good as well. Harman infotainment system specially designed for Tiago. The speaker working is really excellent. With the jukebox application on your mobile phone, you can connect maximum 10 devices at a time. I feel really very comfortable in the rear seat as well. I have enough room for my foot and the thigh support is quite fine. The Tiago gets 1.2-litre 3-cylinder Revitron engine that develops 84 bhp of power and 114 Nm of torque. The 1.05-litre diesel engine gives an output of 70 HP and 140 Nm of torque. Both the engines power the front wheels through a 5-speed manual gearbox. You get two driving modes, Eco and City, available on both the engines. The ride is really good with the McPherson suspension and the handling is quite predictable. I have been using this car more inside the city and I have got a very good fuel economy, 18 kilometers to 20 kilometers per liter, and not bad. Tata cars have never been a choice of youngsters like me, but I think youngsters should really try this out. I have been using this for more than 2 months and I think I have really liked the car. I have got nothing disappointing, except I don't find these keys working, these mounted keys on the steering wheels. Except that everything is quite fine. One thing I have to tell to the youngsters like me is that you just forget the badging, forget that this belongs to Tata Motors. The car is fantastic. So yeah, Tata Tiago is an excellent value proposition compact hatchback. It looks good, it feels good in the inside, and the ride and handling is respectable as well. The car is priced between 3.5 to 5.9 lakhs. Everything about the car seems fine, but the only problem will be brand image.